How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and welcome to another episode of SpeedTech Spotlight. In this episode, we're going to go over a very popular setup of ours using our Raptor visor bar and our Z surface mounts. Now, this is perfect if you need an interior warning bar and you want to add some exterior warning lights as well. And you can control both of these off of our Grand Control. So let's go ahead and turn these units on. So today I'll be using my optional Grand Control here, and I actually brought one of our new MultiColor Raptor linears in our red, blue, clear tricolor setup, and then our MultiColor Z12 linears in red, blue, clear as well. So on my Grand Control I have my power button here, which will activate my visor bar, and then I went ahead and pre-programmed and synced my Z's here, which I can activate off my aux button. So you'll see that I can activate my Z's, and I can turn those off if I want to run my visor bar independently or vice versa, all off of my Grand Control. And again, this is our new MultiColor Raptor linear in red, blue, clear tricolor, and our MultiColor Z12 linears in red, blue, clear. And again, these are just in sync. So now let's go over what these look like in alternate sync. So I went ahead and reprogrammed my Z's to be in their alternate sync function here, and then I even changed the flash pattern of my Raptor to match the flashing concept of my Z's. So you'll see that you have plenty of options to choose from of how you want your vehicle and your application set up. And we are using our Raptor multicolor here and our Z's in multicolor, but we do offer TIR models in solid and half-half colors, and also all of the options in our multicolor from amber, red, blue, green, and clear. So we have colors for any application. Now, another really cool feature in our new multicolor models is you can steady burn override the secondary color of your units. Now, since the secondary color is clear in our Raptor and Z's here, you'll see that I can steady burn override my Raptor to go all clear, and then by using the green steady burn override cables of my Z's, I can get my Z's to steady burn clear as well by holding to the positive connection. And then simply by deactivating that feature, my units will go back to flashing, and then if I change the flash pattern of my Raptor, it will go back to flashing as well. So that feature is perfect if you need a work light application. And again, this works with any of our multicolor models where clear is the secondary color. So that covers one of our popular setups using our Raptor visor bar and our Z surface mounts. And again, I was using multicolor models, but we offer single, dual, and tricolor models, and we also offer TIR and linear in amber, red, blue, green, and clear. So we have plenty of lighting options for your application. If you have any questions, give us a call or shoot us an email. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks.